Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGeek webinar series, our endeavor to empower techniques. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Design and Develop Richer Apps, Reach More Clients Using ASP.NET MVC4 and jQuery Mobile. Our guest speaker today is Ms. Pradanya Nayak, Senior Member, Technology Center of Excellence, Pfizer, India. Pradanya Nayak is a technology enthusiast. She is a regular speaker in academic and developer conferences held in Pune. She is one of the organizers of Pune User Group, a community of most valuable professionals, students and tech experts exploring, experimenting, and conducting sessions on Microsoft technologies. She is involved in research and development, prototyping, consulting teams on technology challenges, and development for mobile and desktop platforms. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Ms. Pradanya.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. And this is Pradnya Naik from Pfizer, India. So today we have our session on design and develop richer apps and reach more clients using ASP.NET MVC4 and jQuery Mobile. So let's get started. Our agenda for today's session is, it would be the overview of ASP.NET MVC pattern, then a walkthrough of an application developed in ASP.NET MVC4. Then we would have a demo of the new features in ASP.NET MVC4. We would see what jQuery Mobile is all about. How do we incorporate jQuery Mobile in ASP.NET MVC4? And finally, we would be upgrading our application developed in ASP.NET MVC4 using jQuery Mobile. So, what is MVC? MVC is a design pattern. It is an architectural pattern wherein you create your web applications in 3 separate modules. The first thing is the model, which represents the domain or your business logic. You have the controller, who is going to handle and respond to the user inputs and the interactions. And finally, you have the view, which displays the user interface. So if there is a browser who is making a request, okay, the model will represent the domain or the business logic, and the controller will decide which view to render or represent depending upon the user inputs. So MVC pattern will make your web application more scalar, more modular, and it will divide your web application into these 3 important components: the model, the view, and the controller. Now, so these are the benefits of MVC. In MVC, if you use the normal ASP.NET web forms and if you use ASP.NET MVC, the benefits of MVC pattern include the simplified development, wherein it uses the stateless nature of HTTP. Now, because of this, code maintenance is also very easy because your application is divided into models, views, and controllers. So code maintenance is easy. Further on, everything is isolated. Hence, testing these individual components is not also a tedious task. And as a result, ASP.NET MVC is one of the preferred platforms for developing web applications over ASP.NET Web Forms. Now, when you come to the MVC4, MVC4 has got new features related to mobile application development. It has got features of bundling and minification. You can easily migrate your databases. There is support for web APIs. There are excellent features for mobile application development. There is support for real-time communication, and the asynchronous support is also good. So because of all these features, ASP.NET MVC 4